One day I eat rice and my glucose behaves. Next day, same rice. Boom. Chaos. Turns out there's a trick nobody told me.
If you or someone you love live with diabetes, this one's for you.
I swear my pancreas has mood swings. Yesterday it was calm. Today it's throwing furniture.
Not moods, mechanics. You didn't change the food, you changed the sequence, the timing, the movement.
So it's not me, it's my choreography.
Exactly. Let's see what happens inside the body. After you eat, your body starts digesting carbs fast, like sugar fireworks. But you can soften that blast with 5 small tweaks. 1. Walk after you eat. Start moving 5 to 10 minutes after your last bite, even around the living room. Muscles act like sponges. They pull glucose out of the blood.
So I just pace around my living room like a lost detective and still lower my glucose?
Exactly. Case closed by science. If you've tried post-meal walks, comment. If not, like this video and start tonight. 2. Eat in this order. First veggies or fiber, then protein or fat, carbs last.
So salad first, defense second, and carbs are the drama queen at the end.
Yes, and if you calm the queen, everyone else behaves. Fiber slows digestion, protein tells insulin to chill.
Finally, my food has a hierarchy. I'm the king, right?
You're the court jester with a glucose monitor. 3. Add a small protein pre-meal. Have a small amount of protein, around 15 to 30 grams, about 10 minutes before your meal.
So it's like laying a protein carpet for the sugar wave to land on.
Exactly! Smooth landing, not crash landing.
Cool. I'll use yogurt instead. Less science experiment, more actual food.
4. Use diluted vinegar. 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider or grape vinegar in a tall glass of water before your meal. Or use it on your salad. It lowers post-meal glucose and insulin response. But no heroics. If you have reflux or ulcers, skip it or check with your doctor.
Copy that. No chugging contests.
5. Micro moves. Beat long sitting. Every 45 to 60 minutes, break your sitting streak. 2 minutes of stairs, squats, or pacing can cut glucose swings.
So if I dance to 80s music every hour, I'm technically in therapy.
Yes, physical and emotional.
Perfect. I've got the mixtape.
Summary time. Here's the pattern. Walk after eating. Fiber first, protein next, carbs last. Try a small protein before meals. Use vinegar carefully. And don't marinate in your chair.
Simple enough for my brain, at least when my glucose isn't turning it into mashed potatoes.
That's progress. Try these for a week. Your glucose curves will start looking less like mountains and more like calm waves.
And if it doesn't work?
Then we test, tweak, and repeat. Science is patient. So should you be.
I'll take that over another no rice ever again lecture.
If this helped, subscribe for body smart tricks that actually work, and comment which hack you'll try first. Be nice to your blood sugar.
And your pickles? See
See you
you
next
next
time.
time.